Today I want to show you one of the most important features on your Hollyland Lark M2s and your Hollyland Lark M2. This feature is always available to you. It's your ability to determine the kind of audio you want to record, either a stereo or mono audio. Now you ask, what is stereo or what is mono audio? I will let you know. As you're hearing me now, you can hear me on both sides of your headphone if you're using an headphone. If I pan my audio, if I move this audio to the left, you can hear me on only the left, right? And if I move it to the right, you can hear me on only the right. Now, if you have a headphone that is actually having an issue on one side or one side, at some point my voice will actually be cut off from you because I have moved the audio away from the ear that you are listening to a different ear, right? Now that is stereo. Stereo means your audio is recorded on the left channel and on the right channel separately. Mono means that both channels are brought together and your sound is recorded as one, is treated as one, inseparable, like both the right and the left. So the sound that is going to the left, that is the sound that is going to the right. Now it's very important that you understand it when you are using your mic. This mic, the Hollyland Lark M2s and the Hollyland Lark M2, they offer us this ability to be able to play around with our audio. There are times you might need the stereo and there are times you might need the mono. In fact, most times you just need the mono audio. You don't need to disturb yourself doing the stereo. But instances where you have a podcast and a guest, and some people speak on just a lower voice, and it's not as high as some of us that our voice are naturally high. What do you do in such scenario? You wouldn't want your listeners to, be struggling to hear this person and not struggling to hear the other person, So they will have to increase their volume when this person is speaking and reduce their volume when the other person is speaking. That is not good. That may tune them off from your video or from your content. How do you solve that? If you're recording on stereo, right, you have both speakers on separate channel. What that will help you do in post is to bring this speaker's volume to match this other speaker's volume, or bring down the speaker's volume to match, just anyhow you want it. That is stereo for you. But when you do that in mono, say you recorded both speakers on the same channel, like on mono, what that will do to you is that in post, you have to go into your video and make sure you cut out where this person is speaking, where this other person is speaking, and then you treat the audio separately. So you see that there's an extra work in going to cut out these places that this person is speaking. So that is where stereo shines. I wouldn't say mono is bad or stereo is bad. I'm just saying when you need them, you should know how to get them.
Now, one isn't better than the other. Mono and stereo both sound incredible, but listening in stereo will deliver a wider and more detailed sound experience.
Now on your Hollyland Lark M2, which is this, it's a very, very beautiful mic. If I bring out the transmitters, you can see that it's going to pair. Okay, it has paired successfully. Now we are seeing the top indicator green and the bottom indicator green. What that means is, number one, this thing is paired successfully, and the green and stable green means there is noise cancellation activated on these microphones, right? To click on the button on the transmitter once, this yellow button, it will turn these guys on the receiver blue, and the light on the transmitter as well will turn blue. Now this means that the noise cancellation feature on these microphones have been turned off. I don't want you to confuse the lights here with the light here. This is indicator light and noise cancellation light. Now the light below here is your volume indicator light, and also where you can see whether you are recording on stereo or mono mode. When it's green, it means you're recording on mono mode. But when it turns blue, it means you're recording on stereo mode. So how do you do that? You double click on this button. You double click on the button and voila, it turns blue. Now you're recording on stereo mode. So the right transmitter goes to the right side of the audio and the left goes to the left side. So if I have a guest here, I'm going to have a kind of audio that is separate, although because of the proximity, the person's voice might as well enter this, but this simply means that this captures the person's voice more and this captures this person's voice more, so you can work on those two very well. On the Lark M2s, currently I'm recording with it, there is a round button on top of it. You just click and hold it for a few seconds. I think it's more than a second, and then the light turns blue. That is you recording on stereo mode. Now, when it's on green, you're recording on mono, just the same thing as your Lark M2. So it's very important you know this feature because it will help you in production. Putting it by choice is different from running into them and not knowing why and how you came to where you are at the point. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy our content. We bring you amazing reviews of products, and then you can go to our website and order for any products and we'll ship it to you wherever you are.